Across the world, classrooms are becoming increasingly diverse. In the US alone, over 50% of public school students come from linguistically and culturally diverse backgrounds. Yet youth education remains trapped in the red ocean of standardized text-heavy curriculum. Today, 54% of adults read below a 6th grade level, meaning millions of students are structurally excluded from traditional health education. The industry expects institutions to adapt to the curriculum rather than the tools adapting to the community. This creates a dangerous mismatch in health education where misunderstanding a concept has immediate lifelong consequences.
So Health Hub is a web-based platform that provides modular visual-first health education materials for use institutions. And instead of offering a fixed one-size-fit-all curriculum, we give organizations flexible access to ready-to-use materials and with the ability to customize by topic, age group, language, and learning context.
Here's how it works. Through our online platform, subscribers can browse a growing library of visual-first health education materials organized by topic and age group. If a specific need is not already available, institutions can submit a customization request directly through the platform. For institutions seeking deeper engagement, our premium package includes on-site lesson facilitation and enrollment in our Health Hub Curriculum Partnership Program, a structured multi-session health curriculum co-designed specifically for the institution's context.
So this is our operational model regarding our production and content maintenance. So Health Hub operates through a structured 4-step production pipeline. So our step 1 is the content pod. Each resource is created by a fixed writer, designer, pair, and our team. And our step 2 will be quality review gate. So before release, each resource will pass through our centralized quality review team, and they'll verify medical accuracy, age appropriateness, clarity, and alignment. And step 3 will be translation and localization. For our multilingual access to the use, after approval, finalized materials will move to our localization unit, and dedicated language teams will translate the content and adjust the cultural references and maintain appropriate tone and literacy levels.
This is our strategy canvas. The red line represents the industry standard, what traditional youth health education looks like today. You'll notice it scores high on standardization, text density, and language uniformity. Everything is rigid, dense, and uniform. That's the red ocean, where everyone competes on the same factors, driving up costs while limiting reach. The dark blue line is Health Hub. We deliberately score low on those same factors because we see them not as strengths, but as cost drivers that don't serve learners. Where we diverge is on the right side of the canvas. Health Hub scores high on visual engagement, cultural adaptability, customization, flexibility, and institutional adaptability. These are the factors the industry has largely ignored, and that's exactly where we create new value.
So our original industry is the K-12 health curriculum publishing, and traditional K-12 health publishers compete in the red ocean, targeting large districts and well-funded schools through rigid and full-year contracts with standardized curriculum packages. And now these are our 3 tiers. So our first tier, which is the soon-to-be non-customers, are the schools who are currently purchasing traditional curriculum but is dissatisfied with fixed annual contracts, standardized content, and lack of cultural flexibility. And Health Hub can support these consumers because it replaces the full-year lock-in with a monthly institutional subscription. And our second tier, which is the refusing non-consumers, would be the small schools and youth nonprofits who often reject traditional publishers because procurement requires strict authorization, multi-month approval processes, and bulk licensing minimums that they cannot meet. And Health Hub removes these barriers by enabling direct institutional sign-up on our platform, monthly payment without student minimums. And the Tier 3 unexplored non-customers will be refugee centers, community use programs that are excluded from traditional curriculum markets because they lack centralized purchasing departments and do not operate within district systems. And the Health Hub serves them by offering modular materials adaptable to mixed age groups, multilingual customization options, and flexible formats that can be implemented without formal curriculum infrastructure. And using ERC, we eliminate one-size-fits-all curriculum, reduce rigid and text-heavy materials, raise flexibility and cultural relevance, and create the custom request modular health toolkits. So healthcare operates on a 2-tier B2B institutional model. Our basic subscription is $300 per institution per month, providing full modular library access, customization requests, visual-first ready-to-use materials. So our premium package is $6,000 per engagement, a one-time package that includes on-site facilitation, our curriculum partnership program, which is a multi-session co-designed curriculum, and full institutional partnership support. And Health Hub is not just an idea, it is already fully operational and scaling. So yeah, our modular platform and production system are already live, and we operate currently with 7 writer designer pods supported by 3 quality reviewers and 4 translation teams covering Spanish, Korean, Mandarin, and Portuguese. And additionally, we have already developed over 80 multi-format visual-first health education resources, including slide decks, posters, workbooks, coloring books, and even activity-based games. And we are also currently running pilot partnership with 5 major immigrant and child-focused centers globally. To develop, Health Hub creates a blue ocean by replacing fixed health curriculum with adaptive visual-first infrastructure tailored to language and literacy differences. We deliver high customization at low cost through a modular digital-first system with lean distribution. With proven pilots and growing diversity in classrooms, we are able to scale.